We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for returns for to smash that like button to when you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with SENS Stock, Sensonics Holdings Inc. And the stock continued to pull downwards. Now, it wasn't the only stock pulling downwards. The overall market was pretty shaky. And even the SPY sat sideways and pulled downwards throughout the day. And our SPY bot today on one of the bearish outcomes sent us a bear indicator. It sent us direct notifications to the Discord to have an edge over the markets, to maximize on opportunities, whether the stocks are going up or down, or the SPY as well. And put options went up 50% plus within minutes, guys. This is our new release. Sends us the direct notifications over at the Discord to have an edge over the markets and make opportunities out of them, guys. So the SPY, yeah, it was also sitting sideways and going downwards, and SENS stock was not the only stock acting like this. Many penny stocks and many stocks overall did pull back. But before we break everything down today in today's chart and what ultimate 42 vision, the bull and bear indicators are showing, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. They turned out to be phenomenal within today's volatility. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the morning in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. We're going to jump right into it here with SENS stock. So the home runs of the day were spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the two stocks I mentioned this morning, and this is how they performed. They both turned out to be home runs. The first one here is TCBP. We caught this one consolidating in the pre-market, sitting sideways, and it got a bull indicator on ultimate 42 vision. You could see that extreme weakness here on 42 vision going into strength towards the bell, full strength here, and hit a highest point of 20% plus of possibility. Now, our home run of the day that was spectacular and beyond expectations was KSCP. We caught this one as it was pulling downwards and consolidating in the pre-market. At the bell, got a bear indicator, quickly fell, and then reversed with strength, got that bull indicator, and continued with strength on 42 vision to hit a highest point of 40% plus, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We strive for opportunities like these every single day. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with SENS stock, and it continues to go down lower. Sensonics Holdings Inc. actually broke through today's support that it was trying to hold throughout the day, and it went even lower. And I'm going to pull up ultimate 42 vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators to receive the clarity you deserve to maximize on opportunities within the volatility of the markets, no matter which direction stocks are going. So SCNS stock continued to fall, and it started to fall on Friday after the FDA approval. And there's some key reasons why it has been under a bear indicator on the 30-minute since that date before, as things started to pull downwards, and it continued into Friday and rolling over into today, breaking through support levels of 242, then the support level down here of today of 216, and now we're at 204, and it's right at a point where it's broken through the supports of 210 and up here at 213 before taking off on this run. So we're now below where things started and near the lowest points that we've seen SCNS stock for nearly almost 10 months or more, right? If you go all the way back to July of last year and even further back, we have not seen these levels since May, right? So it's super important to realize that the FDA approval had a big effect on the stock to the upside, anticipating it, and to the downside after receiving the news about it, right? And why is it falling this fast? It has a lot to do with analysis price targets and what the revenue is expected to be and how this is a miss for what the street was actually expecting. And we're going to talk about what I mean by the street. So here we have it on the 30-minute under bear indicator. I could put the 4-hour bear indicator as well. Extreme weakness here on 42 vision, white with red borders. And this is usually where the dips are. When things start to reverse, they go from white with red borders to red with green borders, then dark green. And if a bull indicator pops up, that's an extra layer of confirmation. And then green is full extreme strength. And then on the way back down, it's the same thing. Now, this dropped so fast that it skipped dark green with red borders. It went straight from green to green with red borders to red, right down to white with red borders. So this is at a point where it could have a dead cat bounce or some type of reversal. It's just not confirmed to be something as of now to be strong enough to make an impact on the stock of how much it's fallen. I mean, it has gone down by nearly almost 50%, about 40 to 50% from its highs. Now, on the 1 day, you could see it as well. Bear indicator and 2 large bars of red. We still haven't even gone into white with red borders if the weakness is going to continue. That is not confirmed, but if the weakness is going to continue, the next part after that would be white with red borders, as you see here, bear indicator and pulling downwards. So on every single time frame you can think of, there is a bear indicator. Now, if I put the 15-minute, it's a little bit more volatile, and we still have a bear indicator, right? And going into extreme weakness. So when you look at this chart in every single time frame, 42 vision is an extreme weakness, and ultimate 42 vision bull and bear indicators is showing a bear indicator. So the key thing I'm looking for is for this to find a bottom, find a support, and try to reverse back up, and eventually a bull indicator popping up on the 15-minute, on the 30-minute, then start pushing up on the 4-hour, and then reaching the 1 day to have full strength. But right now, on the 30-minute, we're in extreme weakness here, and things continue to break through supports, and we're near some of the lowest levels that we've seen SENS stock in almost 10 months plus. So when you go over to this article, it says here, Sensonics, despite FDA approval, expectations are too high, says Raymond James based off this article. But that's not the key thing here. The key thing here, which I talked about in my last video, is the revenue guidance for 2022 of 14 to 18 million. Other sources say 12 to 15 million. And the stock and company itself expects at least somewhere between 12 to 15 and landing in the middle of 13. The street had expected 31 million, which is higher than what the company is actually stating for 2022 revenue guidance. So they're falling short. The company itself and the street, Wall Street analysts, were actually expecting something higher. So this right here also ties up with analysis price targets, how we have 1 buy, 1 hold, 1 sell. The most recent one is giving it a price target of $3. Now, the other ones are not really stating a price target. They're just stating their position, whether it's hold or sell. And then we have one here of 80 cents stating it is a sell, okay? And you can see it right there, the high of $3, $1.90, and then 80 cents. So this is super important to realize that the stock right now is very fragile based off analysis ratings and its own revenue guidance that it stated. SCNS stock has done a huge breakthrough with the FDA approval of the 180-day continuous glucose monitoring system. This is huge. So this is a big step, but the revenue is not going to kick in 1 year, in 2 quarters, in 3 quarters. It's going to take time, but big step for the company's growth, big step for life-changing innovation and technology, as well as the potential to get more of the market share of this niche for Sensonics Holdings Inc. to grow within its niche and sector. But the stock is showing and reflecting investor sentiment very, very fast. And there's a lot of investors that spent months and years waiting for this FDA approval to end up seeing it go up this fast and come back down this quickly. It's pretty discouraging. And as it goes lower, it's going to continue to shake out investors that aren't seeing this for the long haul, or just looking at it from a whole new perspective and stating, well, FDA came out, it reached up to $3 and some change. This is a penny stock. It's moving very fast, and it's going to take some time before SENS stock even moves back up with significant movement, right? I'm not saying a dead cat bounce or a quick reversal or hype and speculation of a short squeeze or anything like that. If not, natural growth because of this FDA approval and technology adding value to the company. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.